The occupational skill X Oathsworn. X represents the name of either a faction or guild. So for example, if X was equal to Scouts, you would have Scouts Oathsworn. The character has sworn a binding oath to support the faction or guild X. This occupational skill can only be gained with permission from the relevant faction or guild and may be removed by the Oathbreaker curse. This skill may only be purchased at a main Lorien Trust event and does not count towards your 4 skill purchases permitted per year. So this OS is a very heavily kind of role-played skill. Occupational skill. And it is usually given to characters who have a particular calling in a factional guild and have done lots of work. There may be some sort of initiation or some form of role play which goes with this. But at some point you may be invited to become basically to swear an oath to the factional guild and become Oathsworn. The benefits of being Oathsworn is usually that the factional guild will have some magic items or some abilities which only Oathsworn members of that factional guild will be able to use. So it is quite a useful occupational skill to have. The interesting thing about the Oathsworn is that it doesn't count towards your limit of 12 skills that you can have. And there's a number of these skills which don't count to your overall 12, and Oathsworn is one of them. The other thing to note is that, as it says in the description, it doesn't count towards one of your 4 skills that you can purchase per year. So this is effectively an additional one if you so wish. And that's mainly because this is very role play orientated. The last thing to really mention about this is that you may be Oathsworn. You can be Oathsworn to one guild, and you can also be Oathsworn to one faction at the same time. So you can, as a character, have effectively 2 Oathsworn occupational skills, one to a faction and one to a guild. Just note that this particular occupational skill can be removed by the Oathbreaker curse.